Hello and welcome to Monday. It's Make It in Minutes Monday. We're so happy you're here. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. And today we are super excited to show you a fun little card. Actually, two cards today. You get two for the price of one, actually. So these are the two cards that you're going to be making today. Super easy. You really don't need any adhesive or tape, I should say, or glue on these two cards because we're going to be using dimensionals on it. So the stamp set that we're featuring on this particular card is the Celebrate Sunflowers, and we're going to need some Just Jade ink, some designer series paper. This one is actually cut to 4 1/8 to 5 3/8. And then we're also going to be using our stitched rectangles. Now this is super fun and super easy. So to get us started, we're actually going to have two card bases here, and we'll have all the measurements posted for you to check out. But what we're going to do is, I think I used the fourth from the largest rectangle. Okay. And then I know probably some people out there are probably wondering where we got these sleeves. They can be found at Stamp & Storage, and we are an affiliate with them. So if you want, we can submit a link, or we're going to have one posted down below. We do get a small commission off of that if you do use our link, just as a little FYI on that. But we're going to get started. Now I'm going to bring in the whatever machine that you have that does the die cutting for you. So now we have those two pieces. This card is so easy. You guys are just going to be amazed. Now, I've already got my stamps mounted on our clear blocks. We're going to be using the little sunflower. We're going to be using the saying that says, "Know that you are loved," which is down here. And then we're also going to be using the longer one that says, "Let's celebrate you," right there. Okay, we're going to set those off to the side. Now we're going to bring in our bone folder, and we're just going to give this a good crease. This is thick Whisper White that I'm using, and I'm going to do this one while we're at it as well. Okay, so now one is going to go on this particular one, and then the other one is going to go over here. Now we're going to use that as a template. All right, so now I got my ink off to the side. This is Just Jade. It's one of our new in colors, and you can purchase this new ink through our online store, and we'll have a link below as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently stamp our image, our little sunflower. Gently tap it so we get some ink on it. You don't want to push too hard because these are foam and it'll push right through it. Then we're going to stamp off once, and then we're going to go over to our card base, and I'm going to kind of eyeball where I want this to be. Now I'm going to turn it this way because I want my sunflower to peek out from the side of the designer series paper. And while we're doing this, I'm going to do the same on this card. Perfect. All right, so we're done with the sunflower. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to set that off to the side for now, and I'm going to take dimensionals and I'm going to put them on the back side. Now we're going to take this saying that says "Celebrate You," gently put it in our ink. And we're going to go over to this one, and we're going to line these up. Now we're going to take this stamp right here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a couple dimensionals on the back of this paper. And last, we're going to just put some in color dots on it. This is the 2020-2022 in color enamel dots. And we're going to use some of these Just Jade ones on there. Okay, and there we have it. Two quick, easy, simple cards that you can use just about any colored designer series paper on here. I chose to go with Just Jade today, And we really hope that you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, we would love it if you could please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and give this a thumbs up. And make sure you check out the blog post that will be linked below the video. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.